Thank you, Georg, for joining me today to talk about your presentation for LocWorld51 in Dublin. Right away, I just want to say that your title of your presentation caught my attention. It's Harvesting Linguistic Data at Scale to feed AI models. Can you just tell me a little bit more about that title?
Certainly, Jefferson, thanks for having me. So I work for Dell Technologies. Dell Technologies is a big organization that generates a lot of data. And retrieving this kind of data from our production environment is not necessarily very easy. So I'm telling a story from the perspective of a data engineer, how to make that data extraction easy and repeatable. And ultimately, that data serves to train various machine learning models.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's interesting. So in this session, you also discuss limitations of translation memories. Can you say a little bit more about that?
Translation memories store vetted translations, and they typically contain two data points, the source sentence and then its equivalent translation. We're looking to train two types of machine learning models, one that requires two data points and one that requires three data points. So basically, the translation memory files are lacking one data point, and this data point is the raw machine translation. And that data point is needed to train models that predict the quality of MP. So basically, my story again is about looking for a place in our production environment where I can find those three data points.
Oh, gotcha. So the other thing that I wanted to talk, you mentioned that you used to work in silos, and now you don't have to, so no more problems, right?
Well, the short answer is yes. I prefer to look in one location instead of 2 or 200, if that's possible. So basically, in my talk, I propose that the default organization of data be in one location. Now, this comes with caveats. One is that this data in a large pool can be filtered upon attributes easily and without impact on performance. So if those two requirements are met, then I definitely would go for data being stored in one location. And so to sort of summarize my story, the story is all about the operational power of simplicity. So think of Google, think of OpenAI. They have been very successful with this very simple principle.
That is very true. Well, thanks a lot for joining me today. I appreciate you taking the time. I'm sure your presentation is going to be beyond fascinating, and I can't wait to witness it.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Jefferson.
Thank you, Gabe.